Sasha.
Hi, baby. Hello, Jay.
Where are you coming from? Did you sleep here last night?
Raymond, I told you before leaving the house last night. Or have you lost your memory as well?
It is you that has lost your memory. You have lost your mind.
Oh, I can see the conspiracy against me. So, Raymond, you brought your brother into our matrimonial home to insult me. Jay, you are here to rain insult on me.
Hey. Nobody's nonsense. Hey, listen, don't talk to my brother like that.
And tell your brother not to talk to me like that.
We are not fighting. Listen, nobody's going to... You're working out on me. You're working out on me. It's not fast to take responsibility and do the right thing. She worked out on me.
Bro, this is not even a mistake. She knows what she's doing.
Hey, beautiful. You like it?
No.
You don't?
Yeah.
It costs a lot of money.
I love it.
Thank you. I do. This side too. I want to still this one.
Thanks, baby.
I'm glad you like it. I'm glad you love it.
I love it.
But don't get too excited though.
Hi.
Because I have a surprise for you.
Hey, honey, what are you up to?
It's a surprise, babe. Okay? It would defeat the purpose if I told you.
Okay, I love surprises.
Ladies first. I like you.
This guy is massive.
Thank you.
Wow. Are you kidding me? I'm so happy for you, baby girl. I'm so happy for you. It's not even up to a week you crashed your car. Oh my God. Your man is too good.
I know.
Oh, this guy is cute.
Thank You know, I am the luckiest woman on earth because God blessed me with the best husband.
Okay.
You know, this man takes care of me without complaining, so he's the best man.
I know, and that is why you don't want me to say this particular man.
No, don't go there. I didn't
But
say
that's
that.
the truth
Come
now.
on, I didn't say that.
Okay, so please, where are you taking me to? Because this deserves a champagne,
Of
honestly.
course, I know.
So please, where are you taking me to?
I'll go somewhere luxurious. Luxury or nothing. Let's go. I got you, baby girl.
And I hope they sell the best champagne there.
Of course.
Let's go,
Trust
baby.
me, this is me. Baby. Thank you so much. You know you're such a sweet man. Anyways, take care of yourself. Don't stress yourself too much too. Bye for now. Oh, Raymond. So, babe, if I don't come visiting, you won't know that coming to see me, isn't it?
I'm sorry I've not been checking up on you. I've been so busy checking on my late father's property. You know how this is now.
I do. I really admire your strength. You know, how you run your late parents' properties. I really can't do all that. It's quite stressful and I don't like stress. I can't handle a business. Not at all.
Thank God they left something for me to hang on with. If not, by now, I'll be in the street roaming or maybe looking for a 9-to-5 day job that will not even pay my bills.
And I thank God for the husband I have. That man takes care of me. He does everything for me, so I don't even have to stress myself.
I know you now. Who doesn't know you?
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
So tell me, when are you going to London?
Plan changed. Now my husband wants us to travel to Paris. So I have to sit and wait till the visa is out.
Paris or London? Abroad is abroad.
Abio.
God, when? Oh, when will I see this kind of man that will take me to the world?
If you just stop it. You have money. Learn to spend your money. Learn to spoil yourself. It is important. Do you get? Don't come and finish your life with business.
Okay, ma. But don't forget, it's still this business that is bringing the money. If I don't do them, who will?
That's true. So before we continue, I need a glass of juice. A glass of juice.
Madam, this is your house too. It's not only my house, so please get up. Go downstairs and get yourself a glass of juice.
If you no, don't try me. You know I don't like stress. Please get me a glass of juice.
No! Madam, please go down, get yourself a glass of juice. Thank you.
What is the meaning of this? If you get me a glass of juice now, please. Please, no.
I've started. Okay, Oga wife, I will.
Thank you. See the way my husband takes care of me. I don't even stress myself.
This is not your husband's house, though. This is my house.
Get me the glass of juice.
Come in.
Get it for me. Ife, come and help me with my shoe. Babe, don't say that. Not as if you are a poor girl. You're a rich kid too, so you can always afford whatever you want. That's true, I know. So go get yourself a man. It's simple. Hold on. Oh, my baby is back. I have to go now. Ify, before I leave, get yourself a man. It's important. Bye, crazy girl. Baby! Baby. Okay. Baby, I miss you so much. Two days? Come on, baby. 2 days without you is like living in hell. But I can try and cope, not like I have a choice. So, baby, did you get the photo I sent you on WhatsApp? Thank you, honey. You're simply the best. And God bless you. I love you. Okay. Bye for now. Baby, is everything all right?
Yeah, I know,
I disagree with you. I know you too well. And this is not your I am okay face. You're my husband. So what is it?
I don't know where to start. The websites that I invested in is not loading again, and their WhatsApp numbers are deleted. So it's like, I don't know.
Baby, have you tried calling them directly?
Yeah, I tried that, but it's not connecting as well.
I know you've invested a lot of money with this company, so what are you going to do now?
Well, they have an agent in Lagos, so tomorrow I'll go, find out what's going on. Because it's looking, I have to do my due diligence first, because that's not be what I'm thinking. I pray.
Let's not conclude yet. Since they have an agent in Nigeria, so tomorrow morning just go to the office and confirm.
Yeah, that's due diligence before. That's a lot of money into this.
Everything is fine. So, baby, it's time to sleep now.
I'll sleep, babe. Just you can, I'll join
No,
you.
no, wait, no, wait, no, wait. No, baby, this is
No,
bedtime.
I feel you.
My love, I insist.
Okay, I'll close it. I'll close it myself. Hold on.
Okay,
I need to send this email real quick. Okay, do you know what?
What?
Because you said I should close it, and I don't want you to think that I don't care about your opinion. I'm going to send. Okay, send the email. All right.
Good boy.
Good boy. Sexy girl. Mm.
Baby, you stay up.
I've been up since you've been sleeping. I can't sleep. I don't know. I feel stupid, honestly. I feel like a moo. How could I let that happen? It's our money, it's our future, and I'm playing with it. Like I lost our money. I'm putting our future in danger. I can't sleep. That's the last thing on my mind right now.
Baby, you don't have to keep feeling bad.
I have to so it doesn't happen again.
I know. Listen, I understand that everything happening right now is getting to you. But I also understand that this is a very tough time for us.
I'm so sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that.
It's fine, baby. I need you to stop thinking so much so you don't develop a BP. Come on, you're not even sleeping. You don't sleep.
Don't worry about it. I'll go to sleep.
Yeah, and what they took is our money and not our lives. So you don't have to worry yourself so much over this. You make another money. Trust me. I don't want you to develop BP. It's unhealthy. Huh?
I won't as long as I have you.
Of course you have me.
My medication, baby.
I know. So, I need you to sleep now.
Nah, no. Yeah, I'll sleep.
Now?
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Alright, baby. I love you.
I love you too.
You're my most valuable asset.
Thank you. Babe, are you sure you're going to sleep?
Don't worry about it, babe.
No, I'll sleep when you want to sleep. I'm out.
2 minutes to be snoring.
No way. I'm on this with you. Trust me.
I know. It's okay.
Hello, Simi. Thank God. I was about calling you. My husband said he came to the office, but right now I'm not able to reach him on the phone.
That's the reason I called now. Someone called to say he had an accident.
Accident? Jesus Christ. Where is he now? Please do that right away, right? Accident. My feet. Doctor, you haven't said anything about my husband for a while now. What is going on?
What I'm about to say now, I do not want to disclose it before your husband because of his health conditions. From the series of tests running on him, it stated that your husband might not be able to see again.
What?
He's blind.
Doctor, he cannot just be blind like that. I mean, this is just 2 weeks after the accident. You cannot just say he's blind. You can still do something. You can do more tests, give him more treatment, medications, doctor. Anything. He cannot just be blind now, just like that, doctor. You cannot just say he's blind like that.
Calm down, this is hospital.
Can we see him?
Of course.
Baby, please. I need you to eat so you can take your medication. The doctor will soon be here shortly.
I'm not hungry right now, you know. How you say so? It smells amazing though. Like, I know it's your cooking, you always deliver.
My love, I'm not happy.
You're
This is the
happy.
exact word you've been saying since last night. And you're repeating it again. Please, can you just eat? No, just, okay, eat a little.
Babe, I promise you I will. I'm just not hungry right now, okay?
Babe, I'm not happy.
You're not what? You're not happy?
I'm
Back.
Oh, Jay, what's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Welcome, Jay.
Yeah. What's happened?
It's your brother, my husband. He has refused to eat. I wonder how this medicine will work if he doesn't eat.
Really?
Yeah.
I do from Tuesdays. I'm not hungry. I'm not
Okay, it's okay. I'll take it from here. Just chill.
Thank you.
Are you angry?
Of course.
Come on. What are you going to just bring it up to you? Let me
Eat, eat. That's what I want you to
Eat.
do.
Okay, I'll eat in a bit.
Welcome, Jay.
Big bro, what's happening? What's the matter? Oh, have you refused to eat?
I've sold everything. I've sold everything I can sell. I've sold that property. The only thing I haven't sold is this house. And my wife's car. But I've sold everything. There's nowhere, there's no income. I work.
So what are they requesting you do in order for them to release the company?
But don't take everything. Don't take all the profits. Damn near. Like 60 to 70%. How are we going to cover overhead costs? Doesn't make sense. That's a horrible deal. You know, let's pay electricity. Let's pay for staff, first of all, which is the biggest bill we pay. So, like, there's lots of stuff we have to pay.
That's crazy and impossible. You can't agree to those terms. You can't. It's too much.
I can't do that. I feel stupid. I would have been. I feel a bit stupid. How would I follow for? Like that doesn't make sense. Do you get me? I'm the one to blame for all of this. All of this is my fault.
You see, this is not the time to blame yourself over anything. I mean, things happen and that is life. You know, sometimes we don't have to decide our fates. It happens. So we just have to keep moving and keep pushing. So I think you should eat now. This food is even cold. Let me just microwave it and then I'll bring it back to you immediately. You have to eat. Take your medications. I'll be back.
Hey. 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 Why are you ignoring me? I know it's you.
Raymond, can you just leave me alone? Do not baby me.
You don't hold my hand. You hold my hand. I know your hand, hold my hand.
Raymond, how could you?
What can I do?
I took a time to prepare food for you. And I pleaded with you for hours to eat. And you refused to eat my food.
Babe, it's
The moment your brother stepped in, you just accepted to eat the food. Just like that.
No, don't say that now. Don't say that. I wasn't hungry then. You get me? But when my brother came back, it was late. I was a bit hungrier then, okay? The food was delicious. That's the first thing I should have said, actually. So delicious. Tastes better knowing that it came from you, honestly.
Young man.
Ah!
Now I believe if you need anything, you know the right person to call and not me.
Of course it's you.
No, you should call Jay.
Babe, don't. What's your own now? Babe, come on, don't say that. Okay, it's you. It's you. It's always you, right?
Come
Right?
on, leave me alone.
I can't leave you. Even if I try this, we had.
Promise me you won't do that.
Baby, listen. If you're not here to give me food in this house, I'm not eating. I'm starving. I'm sure I'll call it fasting, love fast, until my baby comes back. Ow! No, I did it to myself.
It's alright, you're forgiven.
I appreciate that. Very good. Oh, okay, great.
Babe, I am sorry I could not make it to your birthday party. There was no way I could leave my husband all alone in the house considering his situation. Thank you. I really feel better now knowing that you understand. How did I find you? You know, you're such an amazing and sweet soul. Thank you so much, Ify. I'll try to find a way to come see you. At least I can pick up my cake. Bye.
I understand. So how have you been coping?
God. It's been good. That's all I can say.
Girlfriend, don't you think it's high time you get pregnant and start raising kids? Yes. Because with the look of things, life has just started. You're no longer in the new wife era thing.
It's not as if I don't want children. But I can't start raising kids with a blind man. It will be so much of stress for me. Besides, my husband is not bothered about having kids right now. We should just focus on his health. That is more important.
I know your husband is not complaining. But it will be best for you to have children now. Besides, a man who has lost everything he labored for, including his sight, he will be so happy to hear the cry of a baby in his house. That he's not complaining does not mean he doesn't want it. He's just doing it because he loves you.
If it's so, then let's leave it that way. I am not ready for children. I just want my husband to get back to his feet and be normal again. That is what matters to me right now. Not having children.
If you say so, it's fine. But I just want you to think about it. You're looking stressed though. Do you want anything to eat?
What's that?
Hi, baby.
Hey, you're back?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
No, I kissed your hair. I moved the hair.
Oh, okay.
Oh, where's your hand? Oh.
Wait, what am I receiving?
Your beautiful perfume.
Have you been drinking?
I'm guilty. Oh my God, it feels so good because you won't give me now. I'll ask you, you'll be doing this one, so. But thank God for Rufus. Give me a little bit and feel good, you know. Drinking stops you from thinking thoughts you want to escape from.
Wait a minute. You mean to tell me that Rufus gave you alcohol?
I
Forgetting that you're under medication?
Hey, come on. It's one day. It's one day. Like, it's not like I drink every day. You don't even like drink it. So, I don't drink every day. It's one day. Just say, just for me. I want to go. Where are you going?
Rufus!
What?
What is your job specification in this house again?
Madam, I be gate man now.
So the gate man, your job is to open and close the gate, right?
Yes, madam.
If I see you next time, do otherwise. I promise you won't like me. Let me reserve my comments for now. Idiots.
Hey.
Babe. Babe, come on. You're overreacting. I'm literally here talking to you first. I'm the one that told you to get the drinks.
I am so disappointed.
Huh? You're disappointed? And you're walking out on me because you're disappointed.
What did come the best, madam? Wow. What did I do?
That I had a few drinks for one day since this thing happened. One thing that makes me happy right now, right? That's beautiful. That makes sense. Nonsense makes sense. You don't have makes sense. Makes sense.
What are you doing?
Do you need anything? I can help you with this. Are
You
you
need to
sure?
take water. You can come to the sitting room if you're interested in our conversation.
No. I'm not. I'm fine. Babe, everything is getting out of hand. Now my husband does planning and consultation with his finance manager before giving me a penny.
You're not serious, are you?
Fine.
Is this not the same husband that showers you with gifts and money before you could even ask of them?
You of course knows he's crippled and blind. Now I have to do all the chores in the house. I bathe him, cook for him, clean him up, take him to the toilet. Ify, I am tired.
I can understand you, my sister. I'm here to help you always. So don't hesitate to call me anytime you need my help.
Oh, thank you so much. And I won't forget.
You're welcome. Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Don't you think your husband might be broke at the moment?
Broke? Hell no. Raymond is not broke. I don't even want to start talking because I know you will not believe me. So let's just leave it that way. He's not broke. He's just being wicked.
Okay, if you say so.
Sasha. Babe?
Yeah?
Are you going out tonight?
I am going to a friend's birthday party.
What time is it? I know it's not early.
It's 8 p.m.
8 p.m. And what's going on by this time?
Yes, do you have a problem with that?
I have a problem with that. That's why I'm objecting, okay? So, you have to go out. You stay here.
I don't want to be a party pooper. I'll be back once I'm done with my party.
What about?
Take care of yourself. Take care of the house, baby.
You're putting on my night. You don't care about them more than you care about me? Are you serious? What?
Bro, are you trying to tell me your wife did not sleep in this house last night?
I've been here since yesterday. Literally sitting on this chair since yesterday. Nobody opened that door. I've heard it. She just sleep in this house. Her behavior is getting progressively worse. I didn't expect this.
But since when did Sasha become this rude and heartless?
When I lost my vision and income. Regardless, I still feel it for her, We've been through a lot together as a union, as a couple. I still have love for her. Sasha.
Hi, baby. Hello, Jay.
Where are you coming from? Did you sleep here last night?
Raymond, I told you before leaving the house last night. Or have you lost your memory as well?
It is you that has lost your memory. You have lost your mind.
Oh, I can see the conspiracy against me. So, Raymond, you brought your brother into our matrimonial home to insult me. Jay, you are here to rain insult on me.
Hey. Nobody's
Nonsense.
Hey, listen, don't talk to my brother like that.
And tell your brother not to talk to me like that.
We are not fighting. Listen, nobody's going to... You're working out on me. You're working out on me. It's not for us to take responsibility and do the right thing. She worked out on me.
Bro, this is not even a mistake. She knows what she's doing. I want to have a word with you.
I do not wish to speak with you.
Can you at least hear what I have to say first?
Whatever you have to say is a list of my problems, right?
Sasha, what is wrong with you? What is your problem? You are a married woman, for crying out loud. I thought this your arrogant behavior is getting to my brother. You have to stop it now.
Did you just touch me? Did you touch me, Jay? You know what? If you had invested the same energy into your life, I am sure by now you won't be standing here looking miserable. Save your rubbish for yourself.
Wait, Sasha, did you call what? Sasha?
Call it whatever you like.
Did you just refer to what I said as rubbish? Sasha? Don't stress yourself. I have the car key.
Oh, fine. Give me the key.
Sit down, we need to talk.
Hey, listen, let me tell you, Jay. You do not have any right to seize the key to my car. Let me have my car key now.
Did your father buy any car for you before coming into this house? Sit down. Let's talk.
You must be stupid. In fact, you are useless by bringing my father into this. What is wrong with you?
Sasha.
I won't stand here to exchange words with you. Give me my car key.
I will bring your mother and every member of your family into this if you don't stop this madness right now.
You are the madman. In fact, your entire generation are mad. Madness runs in your blood and that of your brother. Give me my key. Let me tell you, young man, you have just 5 seconds. Else you see the other side of me. Give me my key.
I will only give that key to you when we are done talking. For now, sit down. Let's talk.
Oh, you want me to sit down? We talk. Fine. All right. Then we are going to talk.
Sasha.
Raymond! 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 Raymond, if you don't want to see the other side of me, you better tell that your stupid, useless, unfortunate, good for nothing brother to return my car key to me now.
Baby, don't talk about him like that. Eh? Why would he take your car key? Where is he going to?
Pretender.
No.
You are a liar.
Okay.
No.
Baby, stop.
You are acting like you don't know. Raymond, let me tell you, I know the both of you plan to frustrate me in this house. But it will not work.
It's not.
If you don't want to see my trouble, tell your stupid brother to return my key to me.
Baby, don't talk about him like that. Eh? I don't understand what's going on with you. Why would you be shouting, insulting my brother? That's part of me now. That's an extension of me. So it's disrespectful to both of us. Eh? Where are you going to that is so important that you can't wait? Maybe you went to the supermarket to pick up something. No. I don't understand.
So this is what you're concerned about? Where I'm going to? Evil man. That is why you're in this miserable position. Oga, it's your car. Why would you even give me a car knowing that you want to take it from me?
Look, your words are hurting.
Eh?
Give me your hand. Let's talk.
Please, blind Raymond, don't call me your love. I am not your love. You should have just told me you wanted your car key. Instead of making me look like a fool, I would have just returned your key to you.
Baby, where are you?
Why do I even have to accept a car from you?
Stop. Don't talk like that. Which one is blind Raymond?
Tell your brother to return my key. Else I will burn down this house. And it's a promise.
Baby, come back now. Oh! Jay! Jay! Bro, you don't do that. You understand me? You run it through me. You tell me, then I give you yes or I give you no, and I would have given you no. Because any small thing now is a volatile situation between me and her. Do you understand me? Eh? We don't need any extra anything. Voila. Do you understand me? So this thing that you did now is not good. You should have run it through me. It's disrespectful to me, self. Do you understand me? Are you in this room or you're not in this room?
I've heard you.
Jay, is he outside?
I will give her.
You say?
I will give her back. Big man, I'm very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. But she was doing too much now. I mean, look at how she treats you. It's not right. I could not just condole her excesses anymore.
Is it?
I could not condole her excesses anymore.
It's not your job to control her excesses or not to control. It's my job. Eh? It's husband and wife matter. Do you understand me? It's marital issues. We'll sort it out ourselves. Everything's going to be okay. Don't worry about that. Do you get me? Eh? I sort it out myself. Don't worry. Just give her back her key. Eh?
No problem. I will give her back her keys. But you should also tell her. At least you should talk to her when she's doing
something.
Which one is
that? You're telling me how to... Bro, no vex me. Which one is that I should tell her? You're telling me how to control my wife. Eh? Don't go there. That's disrespect. That's even more disrespect. The fact that you didn't tell me before you collect that key is the first disrespect. This one is even higher. Do you know the more problems that you're adding? Eh? So every small thing. This one a Pro Max one that you add on top. Why are you doing this? You're telling me how to do too. Don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Eh? Don't be saying I'm not shouting at you. Eh, don't worry. It's between me and her. Eh? Everything's going to... Don't worry. morning, my brother. Hey, bro, calm down, bro. What you did? Ah.
I'm here.
Ah. Bro.
If I am tired. I'm tired of everything. It's just as if I'm in a nightmare. Because my whole world is falling before me.
You've not really said anything since you got here. What happened?
Could you believe that Raymond sent his younger brother to seize my car key?
That's not possible. Raymond could not do such a thing. I mean, you've told me a lot of good things about this man. Even the ones I've seen myself. So, did he change overnight?
My sister, because he is now blind, he wants to make my entire life as miserable as his. Did I do something wrong by marrying him?
No, you didn't. You need to stop crying, okay? We'll just find a way and fix this.
God, this is breaking me down. I don't know how long I can take this. I don't know.
It's okay. Stop crying. Everything will be fine.
Are you sure?
Of course. Stop crying.
That's your car key. I am only returning it because Ray asked me to do so. He still respects the fact that you are his wife, so I should not involve myself in your affairs. Suit yourself. Rufus! Rufus! Rufus!
Okay.
My friend, run here. What are you doing there?
Small guy. Good day.
Take this money. Get me 2 packs of hot water. Fast.
Okay, sir. Small Oga. You get me? What I want to discuss with you.
Rufus, is this thing so important that you cannot wait until you return so you tell me?
Small Oga, very, very important. If I say make I go come, I go fit forget am.
So what is it? I'm listening.
Wetin I want talk be say, as Oga dey for this house, wetin he supposed to chop na good food as a better food when they cook well for this house, so that he body go respond to the treatment well. I don't know whether you understand wetin I dey talk.
I understand what you are saying, and I appreciate your concern. But for your information, since I came back, I'll be cooking for my elder brother. So run along. Don't waste time.
One more thing.
What do you want to see? What is it? What?
Wait, you dey cook for this house, and you no even give me at least small food, the bottom of the pot. Aye. Oga, why now?
Are you more concerned about your stomach rather than the welfare of your boss? Eh? My friend, will you go and get what I sent you? Fast, run! When you come back, you come inside and get. Okay, sir.
Sure, sir.
What are you doing in my room?
Jay, you are here?
What are you doing here?
I just finished preparing dinner. So, I wanted to ask if you would like to eat now.
You cooked.
Yes, I cooked.
And not just that, you also came here to call me to come and eat the food you prepared.
Yes.
Sasha, I know you do not like me, but Sasha, has it gotten to the point whereby you want to poison me?
Okay, Jay. I understand that everything has not been going down well. But, come on. I can never think of doing anything to harm you or my husband. Fine, I want to use this medium to apologize for everything. I am really sorry. I want us back. I want us happily, just the way we used to be. That's all. Please.
Really?
Yes, really. Jay?
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, this is for you.
Me?
This is food. It's for you. Have it.
Hey! Madam, only me get this big plate.
Yes.
Hey! Madam, God bless you. Hey! Hey!
Amen. Amen.
Madam, the madam.
Amen. So I am giving you 7 days off from work, so you can spend quality time with your family.
Hey!
And after that, you can come back. That is, if you still want to work for us.
Hey! Madam, God go bless you.
Amen.
God go bless you. Hey!
Amen.
Oh!
So please let me know before leaving tomorrow morning, so I can give you some money.
Okay, madam.
Take care. Enjoy your food.
Hey! Madam, thank you. Hey! Madam, the madam. Ah! This food. Ah!
Obviously, you have searched every other room in the house. This is my room. You're free to search. Okay?
Sergeant.
Yes, sir.
Inside the house.
All right, sir.
Search it very well. Go ahead, go ahead. Search.
Officer!
Yes? What is it? Hey! My friend, you're under arrest.
Now what is happening? Officer, I don't have a gun. Now what's the gun doing in my room? Who put that in there now?
Quiet!
I said you're under arrest for unlawful possession of firearm.
I don't know how it got there. I don't have a gun.
And you are advised to remain silent. Or whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Now move it.
Move!
I said move it. Animal.
Who's that?
Good day, sir.
Who are you?
Hey, nobody, it's me.
Asha,
Yes, my
who's that?
Nobody.
That's not Rufus' voice.
It's me.
But there's someone I heard his voice. Who are you? Who's that?
It's a TV.
It's what?
TV.
That's not, no. That's... Sasha! Sasha, who are you going upstairs with? Sasha, come! Rufus! Rufus!
Oh, baby, you're so sweet. I enjoy it. You're a real man. I'm not this blind man who cannot satisfy your object. You know, there's a way you did it like this.
Sasha.
Like this.
You're cracking yourself and losing yourself.
Do I look like I care? I don't give the F word. Thank God I am finally setting free from this bondage called marriage. Look at you, blind man, you can't do anything. Instead, you should be grateful for somebody else helping you do something. Look at this evil man.
You're a wicked witch.
You're an evil blind man.
Wicked witch!
Evil blind man! Oh God, beg, no, they shot.
You are a wicked witch! Get out of my house!
Oh God, no, they shot for my head.
You harlot!
Make her they fear
Get
you.
out of my house!
Man! Make her they fear you.
Get out of my
I
house!
beg, no, they shot for my head.
Get out of my house!
Stop shouting at
You are a wicked witch!
Hey, yes, you're a wicked
You are a
evil
witch!
blind man.
Witch!
Nonsense. Rubbish.
Nonsense! Rufus! Rufus!
Oga, I beg. I don't know when they take pass. Madam never
Now who's madam? Who's madam?
Oga, I'm sorry.
Who is the madam in this house?
Oga, na true you talk.
Why can't you do that and you call her madam? Who's madam?
I'm sorry.
Are you let her go? See, that case is locked. It's locked now. Abi?
Yes.
If you stay locked, I should not come inside this house. If you come inside this house, I swear to God, I'll call somebody and they will kill you. They will kill everybody.
Okay.
Why can't you do that, Jim, man? You lock that door, just come out, just come inside this house. And Akanaka stays inside this house. Nothing lives here. She doesn't come in. Do you understand me?
Yes, Oga.
Hey! Rufus, you're here, Abby. Rufus.
Sir?
See, we need a housekeeper. You understand?
Okay.
We need a caretaker, actually, somebody that will take care of you. You understand? So, we put adverts with the writing on cardboard, paper, or anything. Just, you understand?
Okay.
The number they will call. What we need. Because she's gone. She's gone. She's gone. You can go.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Lock that gate. I use God, baby.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? Don't let
I
Ah! Ah! Nonsense! 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 Idiot! Idiot!
Rufus! Rufus! Rufus!
Who be that? You won't break my gate.
Open the gate.
I got some man no open gate for anybody.
Rufus! 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 Raymond! Raymond! Rufus! If I catch you, I will kill you before your time. Raymond! Raymond! I will burn this house.
Shasha, it's okay. You need to stop crying. Kill yourself because Raymond left you.
I've been married to this man for years. I never knew everything he owned was bought in his younger brother's name. If it is hurt differently, why would Raymond do a thing like this to me? I am left with nothing. He used me, everything we labored for. Raymond used me and dumped me without anything. I am useless.
No, you're not.
I am useless. I am useless to myself. I know that I'm useless, Evie. I know.
Shasha, stop it. You're not useless. I know this is unfair, but you can't continue crying. You just need to put yourself together.
If I lost everything, no marriage, no car, no money, no compensation, nothing to lay my hands on. I am just empty. This is not pure wickedness. Why would Raymond leave me empty? Why would he leave me empty? I'm so useless.
Oh.
What did I do?
No. You have me.
How can I leave the house empty? How can I do a thing like this without thinking twice?
Shasha, it's okay.
How can I be this empty? No money, V. I'm so empty.
No, stop. I need you to stop crying. You have me. I'm here for you. Please, my friend. Stop. I know you to be a strong woman.
I have a plan.
What is the plan?
When I went to his house, I saw a notice outside that he needs a caretaker.
Okay, so what does this have to do with what we are discussing now?
I want you to apply as the caretaker and convince him to sell his house and take all the money for his treatment abroad.
Shasha, I still don't get it. Can you explain better.
If you go to that house, work for Raymond, convince him to sell the house, and we'll take all of it. All the money.
Did you see how it was easy for you to say it? Shasha, this is not easy. How do you expect me to go to Raymond and tell him to sell his property? Then he will do that because I said so. How?
I know him. I'm saying this because I know him. He is my husband. What Raymond needs right now is care and attention. Give it to him. Give him maximum attention. And he will open up to you.
No, Shasha, this is not easy. Do you know what you're asking me to do? No. This is fraud. I can't.
This is not fraud. When I'm involved, please do it.
Who be that?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Yes, I saw the caretaker job, so I'm here to apply.
Now wow, fine girl like you, interested in caretaker job. No be small pikin you go take care of, na adult.
Sir, it doesn't matter. I can do the job, sir.
Yes,
it doesn't matter how the job is, I can do it.
Are you sure you are ready?
Sir, I'm very sure I can do it. Please, sir, I can do it, sir.
Okay, no wahala. Make I go inside. Let me inform our guy first.
Okay, should I follow you, sir?
No. Stay there.
Okay, sir.
So, tell me about yourself.
My name is Philmond. I'm 28 years old. A BSc holder.
Oh.
I believe I can do the job, sir.
Your voice sounds familiar. I can't. Have we met before?
No, sir, not at all. Maybe it's a coincidence.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can leave a CV with Rufus. You know, we are going to go over it and get back to you.
Okay, sir. I will do that, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Shasha, you didn't tell me you have an inspector as a gate man. You needed to see how that fool questioned me as if I'm a common thief.
That fool? I didn't mention him to you because I never saw him as a threat. So tell me, how did it go? Did you get the job?
Not yet, but Rufus assured me that I'll get it. Let's keep our fingers crossed.
That's fine. You will get the job. Raymond does not have any choice. So your job is secured.
Let's wait for their feedback. But baby girl, look at me. Look at Ify, like from my head to my toe. I was ashamed of myself when I was coming back. I was hiding. Look at me now. Do I look like Ify, you know? What's this on my head, this sponge?
That's the game. Come on, I made us something.
This game is tiring. I'm giving up already. What? Thank you. Please go and get what you made now.
That's fine.
I'll be back. I beg, Rufus, I beg, don't kill me.
No be say they talk too much. I must tell you the truth. You sabi cook. Ify. Ha! You sabi cook. Your food sweet.
Rufus, I beg, wait till you want for dinner.
See you question now. Egusi soup with fufu, with good fufu, dry fish, stockfish, fresh fish, ice fish. In fact, that one where they do like this. That's one that has wing.
Crabs.
No.
Rufus, wetin be that now? Wetin be that?
Hi.
You mean shrimps?
Hi. I don't forget that thing. That thing where they do like. Hi.
Rufus, you mean octopus?
Oto. Put them there, put everything.
Oh, what's octopus doing inside soup now?
Ha! If you no go understand. Now since when you come inside this house, we begin to eat better food. Again, former madam. Ha! That woman nearly killed us with ulcer. That woman very wicked.
Was she really that bad?
Make we leave that matter. I no one remember that thing. Huh?
Okay. When food is ready, I will call you.
I begin to go inside.
No problem.
Ify.
What?
Ha!
If I'm ready to your
This girl, she's fine though. You go get her.
Okay. Yeah, be careful on your side of this. Pain and no, leave the side. Leave my yeah, this one. That side you're working on. Yes. You good?
Yes,
okay. Right? I'm good with the left side, I mean. Cool. Yep. Is this the last one?
No.
Okay. Yeah. I'm playing for the thing. I understand. Hold on. I will process. Hey, Jesus. Process. Hold on. Yeah. Here we go. Yep. Hold on. Okay, share time. So like this, yeah? Yeah? Hey, okay. Slow. I'm tired of slow. I want to enter Ferrari and race on the road. Nah. I'm getting through. There's more other things higher on the priority list. No, it's okay. I got it. You worry too much. Eh? I have my process. You get me? I have my process. Eh? Who's this? Who's here?
It's Rufus.
Ross.
Sir?
Ross. What are you doing here? Is there someone at the gate?
No.
Huh?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hip.
Hooray!
Happy birthday, Mr. Raymond.
Happy birthday, sir.
I appreciate that, honestly. I just realized I'm wearing this ring still. That's crazy. Thank you so much. This means a lot. I didn't even ask for this. I even did this, And you people, two of you are, most important people in my life, and that's great to celebrate this moment with you guys, honestly. So thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. So, maybe you stand up and cut your cake. No, you have to cut a cake on the birthday.
Just bring it over here.
Okay.
Hello? Oops, sorry. Yep. Alright. Cool. Bread, oh yeah. I wish I could
and you will see. Hip hip hip!
Hooray!
Hooray! So we get a cup, so you get toast.
Oh yeah. What am I drinking?
Yeah, it's a red wine.
Oh, what's the percentage?
It's just.
Open up. It's open. It's open.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. How was your night?
It was fine, sir. And yours?
Mine was all right. All right.
Sir, it's time for you to go have your bath.
Oh yeah. Figured. What's that?
Oh, juice.
Juice?
Yes.
What kind of juice? Give me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I appreciate it. Are you with it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let's go. Is it just oranges? Orange and something?
It's mixed. There's orange inside.
Yeah, I could taste the orange and something.
You like it?
It's really nice. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you a lot, I mean, if you weren't here, things would be different. Not different in a good way, too. So, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
You have to say that all the time. Thank you.
I'm really sorry about the bad things that happened to you. I mean, fintech is a very good company. It shouldn't be difficult to get investors.
Fintech was a great company. I started with a clear vision. I've lost my vision. Investors wouldn't want to invest in a company that the leader is disabled or disadvantaged in any way. I wouldn't do that when I could see anyways. How could you trust a driver to drive when he can see?
If that is the problem, why not go for an eye surgery abroad? That way, investors will know that you're competent for the business.
I'll keep it real with you. I think when you lose or someone, not you, don't wish you. Don't wish this on my enemy myself. But when I lost my sight, when I lost one of my senses, I think the other one was enhanced. I can hear better. I can taste food, juice better. I think better as well. Thoughts of that. But I'm financially restricted at the moment, Basically, I'm broke and I owe people. I have to pay back. So maybe, it's not like it's all sad, Maybe, after I pay them, I make some investments, and maybe 5 to 10 years, I'll be able, by the grace of God and hard work and luck, to get the surgery done. I appreciate your concern.
Can I suggest something, sir? Can I suggest?
Oh, yes.
I think you should sell your house.
This one?
Yes. Then fix yourself, come back better.
I see the logic in what you're saying, But this is the only property that's in my name. After the wedding, Sasha wanted a big wedding. So after that, fintech was struggling a bit for finances. So she suggested, actually, it should remind me of that conversation. She suggested I sell my other property. I did. This is the one I own. If not for that, but I appreciate your concern. She was actually the one that convinced me to sell the house. You sound like not like you're, you're a good person.
But it's actually for a good cause. You really need to face things for yourself. Do it and come back stronger. You just do it this once and you come back stronger and better.
Yeah, that makes. I'll think about that. What's on the TV? What's showing? Is it football?
No, it's a movie.
Who's in this one?
A whole lot of actors, a whole lot of actors.
If it was back in the days, it would be Hanks and Noko. Hanks and Noko. He had the Yankee accent, but he was an Amburu. The phone is ringing.
No, I know it's not important.
Easier. Softer, more gentle, okay?
Sorry.
Are you sure it's not important? I mean, if you don't want to talk to the person in front of me, you can go to the room and talk to me. Have the conversation and come back. I'm okay, I won't die just because you died the room.
Like I said, it's not important. What is going on? And why is she not picking my calls?
I really appreciate you, you know? The fact that you're the main one that shows up for me, you know? I hope I'm not keeping you away from your loved ones. That'll make me feel guilty.
That's really thoughtful of you. But I don't have all these people you just mentioned.
No? You don't have...
I'm an orphan and I don't have kids. The only person in my house right now is my friend, and she can take care of herself. Your wife.
What? Sorry, my wife is in your... How did you know my wife is in your house?
No, I mean, where's your wife?
Huh?
Like, where's your wife?
Oh. For a second there, I thought you said my wife is in your house. We got divorced. I don't know where she is. I don't think she cares where I am.
Why?
She's the worst. Did things you shouldn't do to your man. She did a lot of things disrespectful. Her brother was trying to look out for me, you know? I only have you looking out for me. But yeah, the height of what she did was kiss a guy in front of me. Yeah, that's what happened to my wife.
I'm really sorry about that. Don't worry, you'll get over it real quick.
Your hand is really soft.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for everything you do.
You're welcome.
I'm so sorry, I know my legs are heavy. Okay, lady. Oh, excuse me. Do you have a man?
No, I don't. Let's say I got tired of lies and drama. I just want peace of mind. It's obvious all these men are not ready.
Yeah, most of them. You're probably hanging with the wrong ones when you're with them, you know? You're way too nice. I mean, your aura, I don't even have to see your face to know you're beautiful. You have a beautiful soul. You have a beautiful aura.
Yeah. I think this leg needs a pedicure.
I would have driven to this. I don't know, the pedicure for this, you know? I just decided not to. I will have to keep from crying. It's okay, that's stress yourself. It's okay. Can't
Was it hurt?
I can't feel anything, so it's okay. Don't stress yourself. Please don't give me the drowsy one. I don't want the drowsy one today. Makes me, I don't know. I really can't see when I feel like that. I feel like I'm more disabled with that one. Is that it?
Yes.
That feels like it. Why would you give me that? Don't give me this one.
I won't let you miss any dosage of your medicine. It's not forever. It's just for a short while.
Oh yes. Oh my Jesus. Alright. Oh my god. Yeah, this is horrible. Thank you for all you do. Who's that? Who's that?
That's Rufus.
First, don't talk again.
Okay, good evening, no.
Ah, the voice is back. Yeah. Good evening, Rufus.
Ify, the everyman bring something for you.
For me?
Yes.
But I didn't order for anything.
Don't you open it and see what's inside?
Okay.
First, let's see it.
Yeah.
You can go, you can go.
Is it the AC that you're enjoying? Have you seen? They go, he doesn't even talk. What's inside?
The flower and the card.
What does the card say? What does the card say?
I'm reading it.
You're reading it?
You got this for me?
Yeah.
Oh my god. The flower seems nice, but how?
Have you read it?
Yes,
okay.
yes. Thank you very much.
Well,
No one has done this for me in a long while.
you've done a lot. You deserve a lot. Wish I could do more, you know?
Thank you very much.
This man. I can't imagine your face.
You can kiss it.
It's nice.
It smells nice. Thank you.
I just care about how it makes you feel. I don't like,
I'm
well,
happy.
yeah.
I'm happy. Thank you very much. Barrister, I need a house document and a car document. Everything I need it ready. Barrister, this is a matter of life and death. After all, no one has been staying in that house since my parents passed away. Barrister, I need this real quick. Okay, I promise to explain everything to you once this is over. Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Barrister.
Who's that? Yes? Rufus.
No, it's not Rufus, it's me.
You're back already?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's cool. Was your friend okay though?
Yeah, she's getting better. So I just needed to come back and check on you.
Ah, that's nice. I won't lie. I mean, forget all that bravado, alpha male stuff. I was kind of lonely. I missed
It's true too, and that's why I came back.
I appreciate that a lot.
Do you have an international passport?
Yeah, I do. I mean, it's active as well. I think it expires in 2 or 3 years. Why'd you ask?
Okay, you'll be going to India in the next 2 days for your treatment.
That's funny. I appreciate you, you know? You don't just help me, like, physically, help me emotionally. That was funny. I needed that joke now. I was like, thank you.
I'm not joking, I'm serious.
Huh?
Yes, I met this my friend and she offered to pay for your travel expenses and your treatment.
Your friend?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, you're dragging this joke too far now.
I'm not joking.
Come on, I know you like your job, but if you like had a friend with that kind of money and power, like you probably wouldn't be doing this one, right? You probably own the company. I don't know, like people doing it for. I don't know. Why would you? Come on, stop. It's funny.
Okay. I'm sorry I lied.
I knew it was a joke, though. You don't have to apologize.
I'm not talking about you traveling. You traveling is truth.
What's the line?
Okay. I will explain to you when you come back.
From
your treatment.
You used to let us a joke. You used to learn when to stop.
I'm not joking.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, okay. I can't wait to put red dots here and dance with them. It should be like a Bollywood film. What's played on the TV? I hope it's not Z.
No. A movie.
Oh my God. Are you proud?
You want a music or something?
That would be beautiful. That's like, I don't need to see it. I can feel it.
Just hear it. Okay, let me please have that.
Thank you. Sound City.
Oh, okay.
Not the other ones. That's all. No. What are you doing here?
Oh, come on.
Huh?
Wow. But you know, at first when I heard about this, I thought it was just a rumor.
About my stomach or what?
Just look at you.
I look the same. I can look at you now. That's the difference.
Yes.
Exactly.
So I decided to come see for myself. Oh, baby,
No, it's okay. It's okay.
I miss you.
Yeah. You've seen now, so it's great. You can leave.
Yes.
So it's all good.
No way.
What?
Are you just going to ask me to leave?
I didn't ask you to leave originally. You left yourself.
Baby, I am still your wife. Besides, you didn't sign the divorce papers.
I couldn't see, so I couldn't sign it. I can see now, so it's all good. It was awesome. You can leave.
My love. I am so sorry. You know, my friend, she was busy feeding me with bad advice and all that.
Sasha.
Ife.
Wait, what? You guys know each other?
Yes. She's
You know
my
her?
friend.
What?
Yes.
Alright,
love,
yeah, no, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. You can, we can text or something, chat or whatever, you know? I'm going to open the door and go to leave, okay? Have a beautiful day.
You want me to leave?
Please, yes, actually.
Raymond, I love you.
Sorry.
Baby, are you sure about
Yeah, I'm sure. Thank you.
I don't understand.
I'm sorry. It wasn't my wife's idea. She wanted to get revenge because she already signed the divorce papers. She didn't get anything. I'm sorry.
It's all changed.
Remember, I realize you're different from them. You're a very nice person. And I fell in love with you. I'm pregnant for you.
Please. You're listening. Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm pregnant for you. I'm sorry I didn't meet the captain of the bar. Anyway.
Madam Jay is here. Where is Oga?
He's upstairs.
Jay is here. Hey! Oga Jay is here!
My bro can see. Bro, you can see. Tell me I'm dreaming.
Come here, my brother.
How many minutes?
Come here.
Wait! Bro! I can see.
Good afternoon, officer. What's going on?
We're so sorry for everything we put you through. After a thorough investigation, we discovered that your brother is innocent.
Oh, so he was falsely imprisoned?
Yes, we found out that the gun actually belongs to your wife, not your brother.
My ex-wife.
Oh, sorry, ex-wife.
No, you don't have to apologize. Sometimes God creates space, and replaces it with something great.
You know, the Nigerian police were here to just make sure everything goes very well, and that's why we brought him back.
So, is that where it ends? No compensation, no nothing? Nothing, Avi? We'll take the sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, they can't put sorry cash out.
You know, in different countries, you can actually sue people and get money for the time wasted. No, it happens, but we'll take sorry for this one. Thank you, Thank you.
Thank you.
Bro, what's up?
Small
One chop. You see one chop. Food deal.
Right, chop.
Hi, welcome.
She's the one that space was created for. You get me? We'll talk about that one later. Let's go upstairs now. Say, this guy. See us no one.
Where's your crush?
We need to start dropping.
Rufus, bring me drink.
Rufus, that one is left in the past.